my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you my potential inside. Yes, good morning children. Open up your eyes. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Good morning. Okay, very good children. Now ready for the breathing exercise? Don't sit down. You have to stand children. Ready for your breathing exercise? Ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Everyone should do. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yeah, very good children. Now all of you hands up. Hands up. Put your hands up straight. And then touch your toes. Put your hands straight up and bend and touch your toes. Yes, do like that. Very good. Very good diction. One more time. Yes, Kavyani. Hands up. Bend and touch your toes. Your toes. Very good, Karthikeyan. Good, good. Dhanvin. Very good. Pranita. Good. Then, no. Pranita. Okay. Pranita, come on, do the exercise, Pranita. Stand up and do. Pranita. Okay. Janvi, very good. Satvika, very good, Satvika. Ashni, good. Dikshan, good. Okay, stop. Enough. Okay, now shall we sing the activity rhyme? Yes? Okay. Head, shoulders. Are you all ready? Now, ma'am is going to sing slowly. And then ma'am is going to sing fast. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Now, ma'am is going to sing fast. Are you all ready? Yes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Very good children. Okay, all of you jump for 10 times. Count and jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, while jumping itself, another exercise we are going to do. 1. Put your hands like this. 1. Stretch your hands like this. Stand up, jump and stretch your hand like this. 1. And then 2, it's up. 2. Jump and do. 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good children. You all are doing it very well. Okay, now go inside, drink one glass of water and come back. We'll be ready for the attendance session. Come on. All of you drink water and come back. Yes. Are you all ready? Shall we start? Very good. Ready, children? Okay, first, Dhanvin.
Good morning. I am Dhanvin Sai. I am studying in Junior KG.
Very good, Dhanvin. Dikshan.
I am Dikshan. In Junior KG.
Okay, Dikshan. Okay. Next is Farnaz.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Farnaz Fatima. I am Junior KG.
Studying in Junior KG. Okay, Dev Krish.
Fish. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Devkish. Hashni.
My name is Asmi. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay. Janavi.
My name is Janavi.
Janavi. Why are you closing your mouth like this? Open your mouth and say. Come on.
My name is Janavi. I am in junior KG.
Okay. Very good, Janavi. Kartikeyan.
My name is Kartika. Very good.
Very good. Very good. Janavi, mute yourself, ma. Mute Janavi. Very good, Kartikeyan. Kavyani.
Hello, Manila ma'am. My name is Kavi Alni. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Kavyani. Naitek. Naitek.
My name is Naiti. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Naitek. Pranita. 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 Okay, Pranita. I think there is some issue. Okay, Pranita, I'm asking you. Okay. Rohita. Rohita.
Tell me. My name is Rohita.
Say Rohita, tell me. Good girl, na Rohita? Come on, tell me, Rohita. I'm studying in.
Once again.
Very good, Rohita.
My name is Sarita.
Okay, I marked her, no problem. Okay, very good, Rohita. Satvika. Satvika. Satvika, be careful. Very good, Satvika. And then Siddharth. I think Siddharth is absent today. Tarnika.
My name is
Tarnika.
in junior KG.
Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. Vishank. Vivan.
I am junior KG. My
Very good, Vivan. Good boy, Vivan. Ready? Ready? Yes, Zeddy. Zeddy, come on, Zeddy.
I am 4 years old.
Okay, very good, Zeddy. Ritvik. Ritvik. Ritvik, are you there? Okay, very good, children. Our attendance session is over. Next is our calendar activity. Everyone bring your calendar. Yes. Yes, Naitek, what is the date today? Come on, tell me. Tell me, Naitek, what is the date today?
Wednesday.
Yes, yesterday, yeah, today is Wednesday. And what is the date? Who is going to say? Kartikeyan. Tell me the date. What date we are going to color today? What date we are going to color? Very good, Kartikeyan. 1/5/15. Very good. Okay, children, now start coloring. 1/5/15. Okay, this date we are going to color. Start coloring any color you want. Ma'am is also going to color. Yeah. 15. Is everybody finished? Date is 1/5/15. Yeah, who said? Yeah, okay. Don't mute you. Unmute yourself, ma. I'm seeing everyone. Okay, just show me your calendar. That's all. Rohita, mute yourself, Rohita. Okay, mute yourself. Just show me your calendar, children. I can see everyone. Okay, just mute yourself and show me your calendar. Okay, 1/5/15 and the day is Wednesday. Yes, yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. And what is tomorrow? Tomorrow will be, what will be tomorrow, Devkrish? Tomorrow is, what is tomorrow, Devkrish? What day? Tomorrow is also Wednesday. No,
Thursday.
tomorrow is Thursday. Very good. Tomorrow is Thursday. Okay. Now we are going to tell the days of the week. Are you all ready? Keep your calendar aside, everyone. Keep your calendar aside. Very good, children. You all colored very well. Keep it aside. Now close your fingers. We are going to say the days of the week. Okay. Ready? Close your fingers, all of you. Close your fingers. Satvika, you can sit down. You may fall down, Satvika. Sit down. I can see you, Satvika. Okay. Sunday. All of you say loudly, but don't unmute. Okay. Say loudly, high pitch voice. Okay. Everyone should hear what you are saying, but don't unmute. Okay. I am seeing you, all of your mouth. I'll see who is saying and who is not saying. Okay. You all will obey Vanilla ma'am, right? Okay. Now start saying Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday, Sunday, holiday. Holiday is a jolly day for you, right? Saturday, Sunday, 2 days holidays, right? Okay, one more time, shall we say? Yes, loudly, children. Kartikeyan, are you telling loudly? Dikshan, are you saying loudly? Yes, Devkrish, Nitek, say loudly. Okay, everyone should hear you. Okay, but don't unmute. Okay, children. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Very good, children. Very good, very good. Children, do you know one thing? Yes, you are in a house, right? And what are all near your houses, children? What are all near your house? Is there a shop? Is there a shop near your house, Devkrish? Devkrish? Is there a shop near your house? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Devkrish, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is there a shop? Yes. Okay. Okay. Jahnavi, is there a hospital near your house? Jahnavi,
Yes, ma'am.
is there a hospital, Jahnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Kavyani, Kavyani, is there a post office near your house, Kavyani?
Yes, Vanilla
Is
ma'am.
there a post office near your house? It's there. Have you been there? Have everyone been to market, hospital, post office and all? You have gone, right? Mall and all. So these are the places around you. Okay. So now ma'am is going to show you the places around us. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Before
ma'am.
that, you have to recall what are all the places you have been. Okay, children, you have to recall where you have gone with your parents, where you have gone with your friends and all. You have to recall. Okay. Okay. Saturday, Sunday, will you go, children, with your parents? Where will you go with your parents? Yes? Yes, Tarnika. Where will you go with your parents?
But nowadays not going.
Tell me, Tarnika.
I'm not going, Vanilla
Where
ma'am.
will you go, Tarnika? You are not going anywhere. Okay, now you may not be going, but before and all you used to go, right? Where you have gone? Where you have gone, children? Have you gone to beach?
Shopping, Vanilla
Have you gone to beach? Have you gone to mall?
Yes.
Shopping. Very good. For what shopping have gone? For shopping toys? Yes, for shopping new dresses. Yes, you have gone for that, right, children? Okay. Have you been to temple? Have you gone to temple, church, anywhere? Have you gone? Yes, have you been to temple and all? Temple, park. Yes, we used to go to park also with our parents, right? Yes or no? Yes, right? Okay,
Yes.
these are all the places around us and we used to go to that places and all. Okay. Okay, there is a hospital near your house. For what go there? Kavyani, mute yourself. Kavyani, mute yourself, ma. Okay. For what you will go, children? Yes, children. Yes, for what you will go to hospital? For what you will go to hospital? To play? Will you all go to? You will go to hospital for playing. Oh my God. You will not go to hospital to play, right? You will go to hospital when you are sick. When you have fever, when you have cold, you used to go to hospital. Okay. There, who will be there, ma? Pranita? Who will be there in the hospital? Yes, Pranita. Who will be there? Come on, tell me, Pranita. Who will be there in the hospital? Doctor. Okay, doctor. Nurse. Then who will be there?
Patient.
Yes, ma?
Patient.
Patients. Yeah, patients also will be there, right? And then what the doctor will do? Whom shall I ask? Okay, I'm going to ask Farnaz. Farnaz? Farnaz, what the doctor will do? Yes, Farnaz, what the doctor will do? Yes, if you are having fever. If you are having fever, what the doctor will do, Farnaz? Yes, what the doctor will do? He will check you and then he will give you some medicine, okay? And he will check your fever also with a thermometer, right? He will keep it inside your mouth and he will check your temperature also, okay? Likewise, and he will also give you medicines and in rare cases, he may give you injection. Okay, children? Okay, for this purpose only, we used to go to a hospital. Okay, and then fire station. Have you been to fire station, children? Yes, have you been to fire station? What can you see there in fire station? Who will say? Dev Krish, come on, tell me. What can you see in fire station?
Fire.
Yes,
Yes, fire.
fire engine. Can you see the picture, children?
Yes,
Can you see the picture here? Yes, can you see the picture? Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. It is.
Yes, can you see the picture, children?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, children, what? Okay, I'll call one by one and I'll ask you, children, okay? Okay? First, who is going to say? Tarnika, what place is this, Tarnika? Is this ambulance? Hospital, and there is a vehicle here. Yes?
We could see
Yes,
that
what is-
image only with the ambulance and hospital.
Yeah, that only I am asking. Yes, what is this vehicle you are seeing? What is this? Ambulance, okay. They'll bring the sick people through the ambulance, okay? And next, who is this? Who will say? Shall I ask? Dikshan. Who's this Dikshan? Dikshan? Can you see the picture, Dikshan? Dikshan? Yes, can you see the picture? Who is this? He's a patient, right? Yes or no? Yes or no, Dikshan? You can see the picture, right? Okay. Next. This is the vehicle used in a hospital. Okay, children, ambulance, you already know that. And then who is going to say this? Who will say? Nitek.
Saddam injection
Yes. Then what do you see? Then what do you see, Nitek?
thermometer. Blue color.
Next.
Blue color.
Okay, whatever you know, you say.
Blue.
Stethoscope. And then injection. Scissors.
Bag.
What is this? What is this, Nitek?
Forgot.
What is this?
Katrikot. Injection. Bag.
Okay, okay, very good. Very good, Nitek. Okay, next picture. Who's going to say this?
Don't take it.
Okay, Kavyani. What place is this, Kavyani?
Really? It's a Kai place.
What place is this, Kavyani? Yeah, tell me, ma. Unmute and tell me.
Fire station. Fire
Very good. Fire stations. Okay. And what is this vehicle here?
vehicle.
Vehicle. Very good. Vehicle. It's a fire vehicle. Very good. Next picture we'll see. Okay. Can you see the picture, everyone?
Yesha, can I fire?
Me? Kavyani, mute yourself, ma.
Mute kata pato.
Yes.
Okay,
Who is this man, Hashni?
Fire engine.
Fireman.
This is fire engine. Okay. But who is this man? He is a firefighter. Okay, Hashni?
Fighter.
Yes, he's a firefighter. Okay. Okay. He only will come and help others who have been trapped in fire. Okay. Then see here. Who is going to say this? Anyone? Raise your hands those who want to say this. Kartikeyan. Come on, tell me, Kartikeyan.
English.
What can you see here? Tell me whatever you know. Tell me whatever you know. Firefighters. And then what is this? What is this, Kartikeyan? Gloves. Yes. Gloves. And then
And then
fire alarm. And you know this, right? Fire engine. And then this is bucket, sand or water, anything will be there. This is fire extinguisher. Okay, children, everybody see carefully. This is fire extinguisher. And this is that water hose, okay, through which they will spray water over the fire, okay. If somewhere it catches fire, through this hose only, they will spray water and put off the fire. Okay, children? The next picture. Yes, very good, Kartikeyan. Next, who is going to say? Parnas? Parnas, what place is this, Parnas? Can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah. Yeah, what place is this, Parnas? Yes? Police station. Very good, Parnas. The police station. Okay. Who will be there in the police station? Who will be there? Policeman. And then who will be there? Who will be there? Thieves. Okay. Those who are doing crime, They will be there in the police station. Are they good people or bad people? They are good people. No, they are bad people. That's why they are in prison. Okay? Policemen will catch only the thieves and the people, those who are doing crime. Okay, children? Next, see here, what are the things they use? Can you see the picture? Yes. Now, who is going to say this? Janavi? Can you see the picture, Janavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Janavi. Tell me, what do you see? Yes, policeman,
Okay.
two policemen, walkie-talkie, very good, Janavi.
Gun.
And then, what is this?
Gun.
Gun, very good. Then, handcuffs, can you see handcuffs? Here, can you see? Handcuffs, yes. And then, what is this? What is this, ma? Bike. Yeah, they were used bike or car or jeep to travel. Okay? Very good, Kavya. Sorry, very good, Janvi. Next, what place is this? Who is going to say? Whom shall I ask? Dikshan. Dikshan, are you there? Dikshan. Okay, Rohita. Come on, tell me, Rohita. What place is this, Rohita?
Post office. Post office.
Yeah, it's a post office. Okay.
Okay.
And then,
Post
what will we do in post office, ma?
Posters.
Yes.
Posters.
Yes, what is this? Post box. Okay. For what we go to post office?
No camera. Chuma cheppuma.
For what we go to post office, Rohita?
Letters.
Post letters, mail, courier. And all we go to post office. Okay. And you can see the picture also. See here. This is the courier. And letter. For this purpose only, we used to go to post office. And who is this? Who will say who's this?
Postman.
Who should I- Satvika. Come on, tell me who's this, Satvika.
Postman Japo. Postman.
Satvika. Okay, Rohita, mute yourself. Satvika. Come on, Satvika. Tell me who's this. Okay, Satvika is not there. Zaidi. Zaidi, are you there? Come on, Zaidi. Tell me who's this. He's a postman. He collects all the letters from post office and he delivers to all the address written in it. Okay. If you are writing a letter to your friend, if first you have to go and post that letter, and then the postman will come and collect all the letters from the post box, and then he will deliver it to your friend. Okay, Zaidi? This is the work of a what? Who is he? Postman. Okay. Very good, children. Today we saw all the places around us and people working in that. Now we are going to do the worksheet related to that. Okay. Shall we do? For that, you have to take worksheet. Okay. I'll show you the worksheet. Take it. Yeah, this is the worksheet. Dated 18. This is
Can I see your face, ma'am?
18. Uma ma'am, can you see the worksheet, Uma ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
This is the worksheet. Okay. Now you saw all the places, right? Yes, in hospital, what vehicle we use, and then policeman, what vehicle they use, and then a firefighter, what vehicle they use. We saw everything, right? Now you have to match the vehicle. Okay, children. Doctor, which vehicle he will use? Come on, match it. Let me see how to match it. Doctor will use the ambulance.
What page?
Okay. Policeman will use
Vanilla
the
ma'am, tell me the page number, ma'am.
page number is D18. Yeah, this page. Yes, policeman, can you see? The policeman, he will come in a jeep. Very good. And then firefighter, what vehicle he will use? He will use a fire engine, right? Where is the fire engine? Here. Come on, do it. It's very easy worksheet, children. Do it on your own. Yes. Yes, come on, lift your worksheets, all of you, and show it to ma'am. Yeah, lift your worksheet. I can see your worksheet. Unmute. I can see. You need to unmute. I can see your worksheets. Okay. Yeah, very good. Very good, all of you. Those very good. Very good, Dev Krish, Ritvik, Pranita, Vivan. Finish, Vivan. Very good, Vivan. Janavi, Dikshan, Ashni, good. Karthikeyan, good. Pranita, good. Good. Vivan, finish. Now we are going to do our math worksheet. Before that, we need to road count. Okay? Shall we do the road counting till 30? For that, what we have to do? We have to close our fingers and count. Okay? Okay, ready? Shall we start counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is 11 to 20. Okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now we are going to count from 21 to 30. Okay? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, very good, children. Very good. And today's worksheet, we are going to do number 17 and 18. Okay, take the worksheet 17. This worksheet. Yes. All of you be ready with your worksheet 17. Worksheet number is D16 empty. Yeah, number 17. 1717. Yes. Are you all ready? 1717. You have to count the number of beads and then you have to write, children. Without counting, you should not write. Okay? You have to count and then only you have to write. First count the number of beads and then you write. Okay? One by one, strike it out and then you count. After counting every beads, you have to write the number. Spell and write 1717. 1, 7, 17. Spell and write, children. Everyone is ready? Spell and count. Yes, you have to strike out one by one and count like this. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, you have to strike out and count. Okay? And then only you have to write. Before that, you should not start writing, children. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes, did you finish?
Ma'am. I'm finished, ma'am. Ma'am, two pictures on.
Finished, everyone?
Vanilla ma'am, echo sound is coming. You are using both the gadgets, I guess.
Yeah, it's stuck on ma'am. That's what I've.
No problem. Leave the presentation. You just carry on with the children are completed. Just carry on with them.
Okay, children, I think we have all
Parents, please wait a few
finished.
minutes. Because of the network problem, he gone, and then she will join immediately. Vanilla ma'am, your video is not visible. Vanilla ma'am, enable your video.
Okay, now you can see, mama.
Now it's visible, ma'am. Continue.
Okay, children, I think you have all finished your worksheet. Yes? Yes, children. Our next worksheet is number 1818. Yes, next worksheet is number 1818. Okay, be ready with that worksheet. I'm a question now, okay? 1818. Very good, Pranita. I saw yours. Very good. Nice. Yes, this will be your worksheet, children. Children, first start counting and then you have to write, okay? Shall we count the number of keys here? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is group of 10 and then 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, there are 18 keys here. Start writing. 1, 8, 18. Spell and write, children. 1, 1, 8, 8. I already told you. Don't put 2 circles. Just write S like this and then a slanting line like this. 8. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Spell and write, children. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Okay, write like this. Finish it. Mom is going to come back and see you how you have done. Please write slowly, children.
Vanilla mom, put stop presenting.
Yes.
I finished.
Yeah, show me. Tarnika finished. Very good. And then who finished? Farnas finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good, Farnas. Naitik. Naitik is writing. Okay. Hashni finish. Writing. Rohita. Finish, Rohita. Yes, very good, Rohita. Good girl. Kartikeyan finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone finished. Write slowly. Dikshan, are you writing, Dikshan? Yeah, right. Slowly you write.
It
Yes,
is not
Hashni.
writing. It is playing.
Zaidi. Zaidi, see here, Zaidi. Zaidi, what happened, Zaidi? You can play afterwards. First, finish your worksheet and then you play. Okay, Zaidi? Finish your
I
worksheet. Good
know.
girl. Zaidi is a good girl, right? Finish your worksheet. Very good, very good. Dev Krish, finish. Okay, right slowly. No need to hurry up. Write slowly, okay? Danvin, finish. Very good, Danvin. Good boy. Kavyani is writing. Okay, right. Write slowly.
Printa ma'am, சொல்லு.
Satvika, finish. Satvika, finish. Okay, right.
சொல்லு.
Vivan.
Printa ma'am.
Let me see how you are writing. Show me a book. Just tilt your camera and show me how he is writing.
Yeah, right.
Start writing. Write, Vivan, write.
Make an S and make a it.
Yeah, right. Finish. Very good, Karna. Who is that? Please write, Vivan. I just want to see how you are writing, that's all. Pranita. Very good, Pranita. Nice, Pranita. Good.
Okay.
Devkrish also very good. Finish. Very good, Devkrish. Then who else finished? Janavi finish? Yeah, right, Janavi.
Yeah, finished, ma.
Who finished? Kartikeyan. Is that you? Very good, Kartikeyan. Well done. Well done, Kartikeyan. Good. Yeah, Hashni, show me. Okay. Very good, Ashni. Okay, now all of you take your shapes. Bring your Fevicol bottle with you. Glue bottle. Be ready with your shapes. Bring your shapes. Yes, ready, children? Yes, first take the big circle. Yes? Take the big circle in your hand. Take the big circle. Yes? And then you have to stick the face for the mouse like this. Okay? Stick the face for the mouse like this, children. Come on, everyone. Start doing. Yes? Take the triangle and fix it over the circle like this to make the face of the mouse. Okay? Stick it with your glue. See, ma'am has done with this card, so I am pinning it. Don't use pin, children. You can see here. Next, we are going to attach the ears. Ears like this. Fix the ears like this, children. Yeah. Fixed. Fixed. Okay, next, we are going to, yes, first take your big circle. Children, try to do it on your own. Parents, you can apply glue and give it to them. Let them stick it on their own. Yes, you have to stick it on your own, children. Then only you will know to do a craft. Okay? Your parents will give glue. They'll apply glue and give it to you. You fix it on the shape. Okay? Come on, Rohita. Finish. Next. Very good, Rohita. Now, we are going to fix the hand. 2 hands. Okay? Rectangle strips you have, right? Fix 2 hands for the mouse. 1 hand. Another hand. Yeah. Two hands. And then legs. Okay. Yes. Fix two legs. Yes, children. Now stick the eyes. Okay? Two eyes. Eyes like this. Yes. Mouse is ready. Yes, those who finished. Unmute and show me your mouse one by one. Rohita, finish. Two eyes. If you have no eyes, you can draw it with a marker. Yeah. Shape mouse.
Yeah, make me ma'am.
Yeah, one by one I'll ask you, show me. Janvi, finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Very nice, Janvi. Very nice mouse. Very nice. Good. And who finished? Tarnika finished. Super, Tarnika. Very nice mouse you have. Super, Tarnika. Very good. Nitik, finished? Nitik, where is your mouse? You're sticking? Okay, do it, do it. Ashni. Ashni, where is your mouse? Very good, Ashni. It's very nice. And then Kartikeyan.
Finish, ma'am.
Where are you?
Vanilla, ma'am.
Yes, very nice, Kartikeyan. Very cute. Very nice. Rohita, very nice, Rohita. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nitin. Very nice, Rohita.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Devkrish. Yours. You're doing? Okay, do. Dikshan, finish. Very nice, Dikshan. Good. Put it in a wall, okay? Put it in a wall, okay? Very nice, Varnas. Good, Varnas. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, Pranita. Very good, Pranita. Small and smooth. Nightek. Beautiful Nightek. Very nice, Nightek. Very nice. Who else I missed? Janvi finish. Okay, Janvi I saw. Satvika finish. Okay, stick. Vivan, where is your mouse?
Pink color. Pink color.
Very good, Vivan. Very nice, Vivan. Turn and show it to me. Wow, you wrote your name. For that only I asked. Everyone finished, right, children? Now, what you have to do, you know? You have to write your name here. Children, all of you look here. Ready? Very nice, ready. Show me your mouth.
Yes, already did. Here, all of you can see. Here you have to write your name, children, in capital letters. Here you have to write your name in capital letters. Can yes, yes. Here you have lot of space, right? There you have to write your name and send it in WhatsApp. Okay? Take a photo and send it in WhatsApp. Okay, children? Okay? Very nice. Did I miss anyone?
See my mouse.
Ritvik, show me your mouse. Where is your mouse? Wow, Ritvik. Very nice, Ritvik. Mouse. Okay, write your name here, Ritvik. Okay? Please you have to write your name here. Okay? Here you have to write your name. Okay? Write Ritvik here. Okay? Okay, very good, children. Kavyani, very nice. Danvin, very nice. Danvin, show me your mouse. I didn't. Okay. Danvin, you have to write your name. All of you should write your name here. Okay, in mouse tummy you have to write. Write your name in capital letters. Take a snap of it and send it in WhatsApp group. Okay, children. Thanks for your cooperation. We'll meet you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, children. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye, children.